Hey guys, it's Steve. It is currently Tuesday evening, February 1st, 2022. It's the first day of February. But I'm gonna do a snowstorm video since we're supposed to have a major snowstorm uh starting tonight, and basically all of tomorrow it's supposed to snow, and also on Thursday as well. So yeah, I heard we're supposed to get like possibly 8 inches or whatever. That's what I heard on the news last night. But let's basically show what is expected to hit. So yeah, I think it's already started snowing a little bit, but yeah. And it just keeps going. Yeah, this is gonna be a long snowstorm. Uh, it rained earlier. In fact, it was actually 40 degrees earlier. And all the snow from the previous snowstorm that we had, which was earlier last week, uh, it's all melting, which I did not do any snowstorm videos last week of those snowstorms. I just didn't feel like it, but yeah. But yeah. But yeah, so again, we're supposed to get a lot of snow, and yeah. So I'll record that. I'll also maybe record some news clips, and yeah. So yeah.
This is Chicago's very own WGN News at 9.
And apparently there are school closings.
And I'm Ray Quarterpassi.
Right now at 9, a winter storm warning now in effect for the entire Chicago area. This rain will transition to snow overnight. The system expected to drop a wide range of snowfall totals, and the morning commute will be messy.
And so, Tom Skilling has our first look at the forecast now. Tom?
Yes, indeed, guys. And we've looked at new data coming in tonight. Everything seems pretty much on track. Our storm is moving in from the southwest. Snow should be reaching the city in the next hour or two, and then it's going to snow through the morning rush hour and a good part of the day tomorrow, becoming more occasional in the afternoon. The cooling cloud tops you see down there in Missouri and Kansas, as indicated by the bright colors, indicate the clouds are building vertically, and that means moisture is getting into the system. 17 states under various advisories, and here's a change. Lake County, Illinois, has been added to the winter weather advisories. The Weather Service now predicted 1 to 3 inches in Lake County. 5 to 9 inches is our expectation over the city of Chicago, and the amounts will trend heaviest as you go south at 8 to 12 inches over south sections of the metro area. That includes you folks in northwest Indiana, down toward Kankakee, Morris, Joliet, areas like that, Ottawa. Here's the storm. It's well south of us, but a big Canadian high pressure sets up a huge pressure variation. That means these 5-mile-per-hour winds are going to shift northerly and really start to pick up, drawing some of that cold air that has Minneapolis down to 5 above into the area. Look at these 24-hour temperature drops as that Arctic air rides in here and revs this storm up. So here's where it's snowing now. We have an inch of snow where you see that little icon out in west central Illinois, just south of Macomb, and the snow area is spreading northeastward, as you can see right there. So we'll have snow commencing relatively soon. There's the forecast at 10 o'clock. There it is at midnight, snowing across the area. There's the morning rush hour right there, and that's noon tomorrow, and then a little more occasional stuff. Still thinking with the lake effect snow showers tomorrow night, and also that folks up by the Rockford area may only get a dusting, and that would include parts of McHenry County. There's how much should be down by morning, and here's how much should be down by late in the day tomorrow. So look at that gradient, guys. Waukegan, just a really light dusting of snow, but then a little more across Lake County, and in the city, basically from 5 to 9 inches, and then you get into that 12-inch territory farther south. Interesting storm, and all this on the 11th anniversary of the big Groundhog's Day blizzard, which hit with 20 inches of snow and 70-mile-an-hour winds, causing that mammoth traffic jam on Lakeshore Drive 11 years ago, back in 2011. Few of us will forget that. This won't be quite in that category, but on the other hand, it's going to be a mess with 1-foot accumulations down south. Much more to come later on. Micah and Ray?
All right, thank you, Tom.
See ya.
No doubt it will be a busy few days for the city trying to get the roads clear after all the snow we're expecting.
And WGN's Brona Tumulty has been chatting with the Department of Streets and Sanitation today and with other people who are preparing for the storm. Brona?
Good evening, guys. Yeah, the good news is it has finally stopped raining, and the bad news, of course, is it's about to start snowing. But we've been chatting to a few people today about the preparations ahead of the storm, including some Chicago newbies who've moved here just in time.
We're anticipating the bulk starting sometime overnight, and then it's going to run through tomorrow afternoon with the bulk of it.
That's Cole Stallard with the Department of Streets and Sanitation, a department that's going to be pretty busy over the next few days, especially overnight.
We're going to have what we call phase 2, which is 211 spreaders out on the street, and then between 2 and 3 o'clock, we're going to bump that number up to 287.
Alright, it is currently 11:04 p.m. on Tuesday night, and yep, it's snowing. Yeah, most of the snow from last week's snowstorm has melted, but you can see the snow coming down. Not too much snow on the ground, but there is going to be a lot of snow for sure. See the snow coming down in the light? In fact, we're going to go. It's a person running. We're going to go in the street. Yeah. I better be careful not to, because earlier when I was taking out the trash, when it was because it was rainy, I slid and fell on my ass. Now my ass is sore. Oh. Here's the street. Some cars. Yeah. Alright, decided to turn on the light. It's got slippers on. I don't even have a. Yeah, I'm not even wearing. I'm just wearing a t-shirt, but I'm only out for like a minute, so yeah. Maybe I'll do another update in a little bit. I don't know, but if not, I'll definitely do updates and record the snow as it snows tomorrow. So yeah. 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 I'll keep you guys updated. So update number 2. It is a little after midnight. It's probably gonna be the final update of tonight, and of course, I'll record some tomorrow. Basically, I'm gonna record until the snow officially stops. And again, it's supposed to snow until Thursday. Looks like the snow is kind of lightened up a little bit, but since the last update, but yeah, still definitely snowing. Hopefully this focuses. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll update you guys tomorrow in the morning. All right. Alright, it's now Wednesday morning. It's like 7:17 a.m. Yeah, there's a lot of snow now. Street over there. Yeah, it just continues to snow. But yeah. It's an update. It's 12:40 in the afternoon. I gotta go outside now. It's still snowing. cars with snow on them. Oh, it's windy too out here. In the street. Hopefully I don't fall like yesterday when I was taking out the trash. Yeah, parking lots have like snow. Jeez. It's kind of deep. Yeah. See the street? Yeah. Is that a snow plower? I wonder if that's a snow plower. No, it's not. Looks like the plower's probably gonna have to come again soon. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm going inside now. I'll update you guys. It's snowplower. Yep, another snowplower. But yeah, still snowing. It's like 2:35 p.m. now. Alright, see how deep the snow is now. Yeah, like another plower or whatever. Trying to get all the snow out of the street. Just look at all the snow coming down. looks like it's gonna come back this way. Yeah, it's windy as hell too. Yeah, some people have scooped the snow off their car. Damn! Look at all this snow. And this is just a huge mountain. Damn, it's all lagging now. Yeah, another snow plower. Plowing snow. But I think this is going to be the final update because I think the snow is about to end. I just saw on the radar, and apparently I saw on the weather app. No, I think it's still snowing now, but it looks like I think it's about to end. I saw on my weather app, one of my weather apps, and yeah, I saw the radar. The snow storm looks like it's about to end, and I saw on the hourly forecast, yeah, there's not going to be any more snow until probably later on at midnight. I don't even know if I'll record that. I think I'm just gonna yeah, so this will be the final update to show you basically how deep. And these shoes I'm wearing are not even mine. These are just some random. I'm too lazy to put on my shoes. But snow is pretty deep. Yeah. But yeah. A little slippery. Yeah, they go basically up to my like shins or whatever. And this is that huge mountain that these snow plowers are plowing all the snow onto. Yeah. This is definitely a lot of snow. Make sure there's another plower. Don't want to get in the way of that. Just look at all this snow that hit. Yeah. Alright. Hang on. I'm just gonna quickly record this before that plow over there went down that way. Houses and cars with snow. Yeah. But yeah, the snowstorm is about to end. It's snowing really lightly now. But yeah, this is a lot of snow. People shoveling the snows. Fuck. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. I'll probably record the aftermath. You probably won't see the entire aftermath of the entire storm because the weather app, the radar only goes back like a couple hours. So yeah. Anyways, it's supposed to snow again later tonight after midnight, but I'm not gonna record that. Just one last look at all the snow. I think there's some guy across the street snow blowing or whatever. His like driveway or whatever. You could probably see him. But yeah. Alright guys, Alright guys, I'm gonna conclude this snowstorm video with a little bit of aftermath. It only goes back like 3 hours I think, and it's been snowing since like late last night, so I can't go back that far, but show you basically of some of what hit. And I think you could basically see a lot of already what hit. And this snowstorm goes all the way to like Canada, like Ottawa, Montreal. And I think here's another batch of snowstorms that's supposed to hit maybe later tonight, I think. But these are the snowstorms. Basically just gonna go back to like 3:27. Zoom in a little. Hang on. Does this want to cooperate? Come on, go. Yeah. That's the future forecast, which yeah, some of the snowstorms stopped in some of the suburbs already, like a few hours ago, like an hour ago or whatever. That's basically how far this goes back, like an hour. Yeah. But yeah, this is basically a snowstorm. It's all past. It's basically going to completely be out of the Chicago area probably within the next hour or so. But, or maybe less. I don't know. But yeah, it's the snowstorm. So I'm gonna wrap up the snowstorm video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. And yeah. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you in my next one.